What's up, guys? Just here to talk to you a second about one of Phone Skope's new products, the Bino Bandit. Basically, what this is, it's a shade for your eyes. So whenever you're out glassing all day in the sun, like this right here, this is going to block that sun out and allow you to have a more comfortable experience when glassing for sheds, deer, elk, birds, whatever you're doing outdoors. So right now, I mean, the sun is just beating down in my direction here, and you know, whenever I have the Bino Bandit not on, so flip forward where it's not in the correct position, you know, I'm getting the sun right at the corner of my face here, right in this eye, and whenever I flip the Bino Bandit up in its correct position like so, it blocks everything out. So it's very small and lightweight. It just fits on around your binocular eye cups. It's just a very useful product, guys. So that's it for this this little demonstration, but check it out at phoneskope.com. Thanks for tuning in.